Hey everybody, I'm Steve Lambard with Contract Office Reps of Southern California. Today we're going to talk about the 9 to 5 seating Vault Series chair. This is the 1460 model with a Y3 mechanism, A37 arms, and one extra feature. We offer memory foam as an additional option on the seat pan. And this one has that as well, just to give you a little extra comfort. Let's begin. All of these instructions are going to be based on you sitting in the chair. So let's start on the right-hand side. The Y3 mechanism, you have your up-down paddle. If you lift up on that paddle and stand up out of the chair will raise. Sit in the chair, lift up on that paddle, and it'll lower back down. Pretty standard on most chairs. You rotate to the other side. On the left-hand side, that same style of paddle, this is going to be your backrest rock and lock feature. Okay. If you lift up on that handle, the chair will disengage, and now you can rock back and forth. Push down, it'll lock into its vertical position. Okay. Now, if you unlock it and lean back just a little bit, there's multiple locking points. This just all kind of depends on how you like to task and working on your computer or taking phone calls, things like that. You just have to play with that setting. It has an anti-kick, so you hear that click. Make sure it doesn't push you forward. I personally like to be in the more vertical position when working in front of my computer. Chair also has a very important feature. It's an integrated seat slider. It's going to be right here on the right-hand side. You're going to pull this little button out, okay? And then kind of scoot forward and slide. Now, the rule of thumb is to get proper distribution on your thighs, you want the edge of the seat pan just barely touching your calf, okay? You can lock this in multiple points as well, okay? The backrest on this chair also has a ratchet mechanism, so you can dial in the curvature of the back to the curvature of your spine. It's on a ratchet, so when you go all the way to the top, it disengages and goes back down. Then you want to just take your time, find those ratchet points of where it feels good for you. Okay? And the last feature is our A37 fully adjustable arm. You have on the outside, there's a button underneath the arm pad, allows you to control the height. Underneath the seat pan, there's a knob. You can loosen that and then adjust the width of the arm. Just make sure you tighten that knob back down. On the inside, you have a button that you would need to press, and that'll control micro adjustments on the width of the arm pad. Okay. You can also grab the arm pad, slide it forward and back, as well as pivot. Just in case you're a little bit smaller than me. Again, I'm pushing like 225, so I'm a little bit bigger guy. All right. That's the adjustments of the Vault series. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us down below, and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks.